Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Shein app not working problem on your device. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to open up the Shein application, but it just doesn't seem to work right, then there are a few ways to fix this issue. First of all, check that you are using the latest version of the application. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and search for Shein. Once you find the application, if you see an update button, then this means you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Just tap on the update button and wait for a while until the updates are completed. Once the update is done and you see the open button once again, you can tap on it and see if your issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, then there is one more step to follow. Go ahead and open up your phone settings and tap on Apps. From the Apps page, search for the Shein application, and when you find the application, go ahead and tap on it. Now from the application page, tap on the Force Stop button at the bottom right corner first to stop the application. Then tap on the Storage page. Now from the Storage menu, tap on the Clear Data button at the bottom left corner and proceed with deleting your user data. Now you will need to log into your account once again after this process, but now you will see that your app will start to work just fine. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the Shein application not working issue. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.